iPhone 8 Plus Review. It's no iPhone XS, but the 8 Plus is a safe and cheaper bet. Update: iOS 12.2 will soon be landing on the iPhone 8 Plus, but in the meantime it has some new competition from the Samsung Galaxy S10 range, including the affordable Galaxy S10e. The iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus represent the last hurrah for the old iPhone design with a home button. While we now have the new iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max and iPhone XR to drool over, Apple has kept the iPhone 8 handsets on sale. See all Apple iPhone 8 Plus deals. In terms of what came before this phone though, the iPhone 8 Plus looks like the iPhone 7 Plus, which looks like the SIXS Plus, which looks like the 6 Plus. The only thing that marks out the newer model in that list visually is the addition of the glass back and the two-tone effect it creates. If it wasn't for that, it would be impossible to tell this and the 7 Plus apart. Apple has never changed things for the sake of it, but the 8 Plus is the company's final nod to the design it relied on for years before the iPhone X arrived in 2017 to move the dial dramatically, plug in reams of new technology, and alter the way we think about the iPhone. So one can only surmise that this is the default iPhone, the one that the people not willing to spend exorbitant sums of money on a handset, or not keen on big changes, will look to when buying a new iPhone. One benefit of the newer iPhones appearing is that the iPhone 8 Plus is steadily getting cheaper. There are some strong upgrades from the iPhone 7 Plus too. The camera has been enhanced, the internal workings are still among the most powerful in the industry, and little tweaks throughout smooth off rough edges in a way that makes us feel Sir Joni Ive climbed inside his computer and lathed them off himself. Add to that a better battery and screen, and the iPhone 8 Plus is the better iPhone compared to the smaller 8. iPhone 8 Plus vs iPhone XS. The first difference here is cost, although not to the same level as vs the iPhone 8. The iPhone XS, which has replaced the iPhone X, starts at $999/$999/$0.1,579 if you want the 64GB model, where the iPhone 8 Plus now begins at $699/$699/$0.1,149 for the same capacity. So what are you getting for that slightly higher cost? Primarily, the screen. You've got a bezel-less 5.8-inch display with a 1125x2436 resolution, and its OLED display technology too, that's superior to the 5.2-inch 1080x1920 screen on the iPhone 8. That's a larger phone with a smaller screen, that's what losing the bezel brings. The other big difference to consider is how you unlock this phone. With the iPhone 8 Plus, it's Touch ID fingerprint scanning, as it has been for years. With the iPhone XS,